morning, Willow class. Welcome to our math starter for today. So we are going to be having a look today at multiplying fractions that have different denominators. Now, I taught you how to actually do this about 6 weeks ago probably, and we did it as a drawing, and then the day after we did it as like a diagram to understand how to actually do it. But then the day after, we then looked at actually what does that mean if we had to do it as speed, okay? So the first calculation asks us to times 3/4 by 2/3. So if you remember, we set it out as a drawing like this. So my 3/4, I'm going to split it into quarters. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I've got 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 3 of those 4, 3 out of 4. So I can just shade it like that, okay? Once I start doing this, it will become clear. You'll be like, oh yeah, I remember that. Or I hope you are. Then we have the next one, which is 2/3. So if I have 2/3 along here, I'm going to split this into 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I've got 2 out of those thirds, but it's out of the quarters, so it's not involving that. So I've got here that and that. So I've got 1, 2, okay? So then what we need to do is look at how many we've got in total, how many this is split into, and then we'll look at actually how many parts of that we've shaded that have been crossed together. How many lots of each of them have we got, okay? So as a total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is out of 12, okay? And this is where then we recognised a link between the numbers. Well, actually, if we multiply our denominators, we're going to get that denominator. Then if we look at our numerators, if we multiplied those 3 by 2, we would get a 6. So let's just double check whether we get 6 here that have been shaded as a total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't include those because those aren't shaded, and I don't include those because those aren't both. Remember, they have to be this part and this part of the fraction. So I've got 6 out of 12, okay? Now, I've got a couple more questions here that I'd like you to have a go at. I'd like you, if you feel like you want to draw it to help you, that's fine. However, if it is going to confuse you and take you back a step, then actually just multiply them together, okay? So pause the video and have a go at doing that for me. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. So what we're going to have a look at is I'm going to do the drawing of the first one for you, just in case you did choose to do the drawing. If you didn't, you should still end up with the same answer, okay? So let's have a look at it. So here I've got 1/2. So I've split it into 2 and I've got 1 of those, okay? Then my next one, I'd like to get a different colour, I've got 5/6. So I need to split it into 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And I've got 5 of those. Remember, I don't involve that half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So how many bits have I got all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got it out of 12, which if I multiply those two together, it does give me the denominator 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, I don't involve these or this one that hasn't been shaded by them both. Therefore, I've only got 5/12. That does not look like a 5, sorry. 5/12, okay? And if we look, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 6 is 12. Perfect. For the bottom one, we should have then worked it out as having 3 multiplied by 7 is 21, and 7 multiplied by 8, if you don't know, let's count in our 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. So we've got 8 7s there, which gives us the answer 56. So my answer is 21/56. Now, if you simplified any of those, That's extra bonus points, but we're not going to focus on that today, don't worry, okay? Below this video is the activity that I want you to do with your for your main lesson, sorry. So good luck with your learning today.